everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is going to be a video of me unboxing or opening package from Premier Yarn. If you watch my show and tell number 12, I did mention that I'm waiting a package from Premier Yarns. I placed order last week, I got this today. So what I ordered is this Premier mystery bag, Premier mystery yarn bag, the worsted weight. So in that mystery bag there's 6 skeins of yarn, and also the Fashion Plus bag, the Fashion Plus bag, 14 ounce. Okay, so it's still sealed, it's not open yet, so let's see what I got. I tried not to make too much noise, so okay, so these are all the yarn that's in the Premier Yarn package. So this two is the mystery bag, from the mystery bag worsted weight yarn, and this is the Fashion Plus bag, 14 ounce. So I'm gonna show you this one. There's this is a meal and assortment bag. It doesn't show the fiber content, it just say here 100% mixed fiber. So this is the yarn, it's a brown, I think this is 100% acrylic yarn, very soft, and I believe this is the same as this one right here. In just, yeah, there's a total of 6 skeins of this, 5 and 6. I love it, it is very soft. Okay, so this is what I got from the Fashion Plus bag, $7.99 per bag, and this is what I got from the mystery bag. Okay, so I got 3 of these Candy Shop 100% acrylic, colorway is Tootsie, and medium weight yarn number 4. That is the weight of the yarn, 140 grams, 5 ounce, or 260 yards, or 238 meter. This is very soft yarn, even though there's a lot of halo, but it is very soft. My previous mystery bag, I will link the video at the description down below. The first time I bought mystery bag, I got something almost like this, but in the colorway Jolly Rancher. Okay, so the next one is this. It's in the same mystery bag. So this is Premier Yarn Deborah Norville Everyday Anti-Peeling. Okay, so I mentioned earlier this yarn has the same texture as this. So I think they are the same yarn, but this one is without the label. Okay, very soft yarn. It says right here medium weight yarn number 4, but this is at the thinner side of number 4. Okay, so it is 203 yards or 186 meters. So per skein is 4 ounce or 113 gram. Okay, the colorway for this is Kiwi. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so for all the yarn that I got from the mystery bag, I paid total of $26.44, and for the Premier mystery yarn bag, it's $10. The 3 skeins of this and 3 skeins of this is $10, and it is really worth the price, because if you go to the yarn store, this is $5.99, and I'm not sure about this, but I believe this is maybe around 3 plus or 4 plus. So for the Fashion Plus bag, $7.99 per bag, 14 ounces, and I received 6 skeins of this brown acrylic yarn. So I have no complaint of that. I really happy what I received, and yeah, definitely going to try the DK weight yarn, the DK weight mystery yarn, and also their bulky weight, but maybe I'll wait a few months before I buy more yarns. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone. God bless and bye.